Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. No, I'm joking. It's not going to be an Ulta haul. It's going to be an empties video. And if you don't know what an empties video is, it's when you like use up makeup products or skincare products or basically anything and you keep it. You keep your trash and then you show it on camera, you know, like let's say I finish a blush, so I keep it and then I'll show you, oh look, I finished this blush, so it's an empty blush. I don't know, you'll see what it is as I go if you don't already know what it is. But yeah, basically I have like trash that I've used up and I kept it in this Ulta bag so that I could, you know, show you what I've used up, and it's like makeup and skincare. And yeah, and I like these videos because I feel like once you use up a whole product, you know if you like it or not. And these videos, like, you let the person know if you would repurchase it or not, because obviously you would know if you like the product or not because you used it up, you know. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. And yeah, so I'm gonna do these videos every time I have like 10 products, because I'm pretty sure I have like 10 products in here. So I'm gonna do these videos every time I have 10 products in this bag. So yeah, I'm just gonna like put my hand in here and like get started. I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna put my hand. Okay. So the first thing is this, and these, oh my gosh. These are these simple micellar makeup remover wipes for sensitive skin, and these are the best makeup wipes ever. Wait, do you hear that siren? If you hear the siren, ignore it. But these are the best makeup wipes ever. I use these to take off my makeup. Like one wipe and all my makeup comes off. I love these so much. I've gone through millions of these. I just love them. I love them so much. If you see that over there, oh wait, that one, this right here, no wait, this right here, that's a fresh pack because I just ran out of these. So yeah, I love these wipes. They're good for sensitive skin. Takes off all my makeup. The only thing I don't like about them is that they're not as wet as I would like them to, but they still take off all my makeup. So I love them, and I've repurchased them time and time again, and I will still repurchase them time and time again because they're just the best wipes ever. And you can get them at the drugstore, so that's good. And yeah, okay, next thing in the bag is this. This is African shea butter, and this is a moisturizer, and it's so good. Basically, this is good to moisturize your skin. Obviously, you could use it on minor cuts and burns. It really helps with like acne scars, like it'll make them like fade away. I just got a new one, but I'm not using that one right now. My mom's using it. I used to have like a love-hate relationship with this because this doesn't sink into your skin. This literally stays on your skin. Like you put it on, you look like you're sweating like the whole day. Like it does not sink in, and I feel like that's what makes it moisturizing. I don't know, but it's really good. Don't use this before your makeup, because I used to do that, and like my foundation used to like break up like an hour after, and I thought it was a foundation, and I was like, yo, this foundation sucks, blah blah. But it turns out that it was this, because when I ran out of this, I used like a different moisturizer and my foundation looked great like the whole day. So I was like, oh, so it was this. So only use this at night or if you're not gonna wear makeup that day, but do not put this on before your makeup because it's gonna make your makeup look disgusting. It'll make it look good at first, like it'll make you look so dewy and so like, you know, but after like an hour or two, like you're gonna look like a mess. But this is so good. You guys should really get it. It does not clog your pores. Make sure you get the 100% African shea butter. Don't get anything like with anything else. Yeah, it's so good. I love it. Okay, next. Okay, next thing is this, and this is the badescu rose water spray. It still has a little bit, but like nothing comes out. I've tried and tried again. I like it. I have a new one. It's like right over there, but I haven't used it yet because I have another rose water that I want to finish that one before I start the new one. You know, I like this. I mean, I don't really see a difference in my skin when I use this. It really hydrates my face and it makes it smell good. I love the scent. So I don't know. I really like it. Yeah, I would repurchase it again. I mean, I did. It's right over there. If you guys haven't tried this out, try it out. It hydrates your skin, and I have dry skin, so I like it. Next thing is this, and this is the NYX Angel Veil Primer, and I used to use this all the time, like when I first started my channel, even though I haven't even had this channel for like a year. Oh, when I first started my channel. Okay, whatever. I mean, I like this primer, but it wasn't like, whoa, best primer. I feel like if I used too much, it would leave me like with a white cast on my face, and then I would put my foundation on top and it would look whitish. But I don't know, but if I used a little bit, it wouldn't be that bad. But honestly, I wouldn't repurchase this because I just didn't think it was that good. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't like the best that I've ever used in my life, you know? I know a lot of people rave about this, but it was okay for me. Next is this, and this is the Project Beauty Spray Set Go Makeup Setting Spray. This is just a regular setting spray, and honestly, There's nothing left, obviously. Why am I spraying it on my face? This was a good spray, but I wouldn't repurchase it because, like, I just didn't see, like, a crazy difference in my makeup and stuff. Like, yeah, it hydrated my face, and what even is it supposed to do? It doesn't even say that it'll prolong your makeup. It doesn't even say anything. It just says makeup setting spray. But it didn't really do anything. I just used it because I like spraying stuff on my face. So, yeah, I wouldn't repurchase this. I got it in my BoxyCharm, but I wouldn't, like, go out and buy it. So, yeah, this was another okay thing for me. Oh, I love this stuff. This is the Beauty For Real lip scrub. I got this in my BoxyCharm too. It's called the Lip Revival by Beauty For Real, and it is so good, guys. It had like so much in here. It was so good. Like, it is so good. I put this on every night and every morning, and then I would put on my lip balm, and this would just like, oh my god, this would just like take off all like the dryness on my lips, and it would just leave them so like plump and like smooth. I just love this. And when I finished this, I was like, okay, I mean, I like to try new things, so I don't really like go out and like repurchase something unless I like really like it. Well, I really like this, but I wanted to try a new lip scrub, so I got this, and this is the Bite Beauty Agave lip scrub, and I was like, oh look, it's Bite Beauty, it's probably like amazing, you know. But then I like it, but there's just not a lot of scrubbies. I like how it smells, I just don't like how it tastes, and it's just too liquidy for me. It doesn't have a lot of scrubbies like this one had. This one didn't have any liquid, kind of. It was just straight scrubs, and it was amazing. And this one, it's so hard to like exfoliate, and plus look at the difference. You see how much product they give you? So when I finish this, I'm probably gonna get this again because this is amazing. This is amazing, and it smells good, and it tastes good, and it was just, I highly recommend. I highly recommend. This is so good. I would repurchase it. When I finish this, I will. Okay, next. This, you probably have never seen it before, I don't know, but this is Sephora mattifying pressed powder, and this is the best powder I've ever used in my life. No joke, this is the best. And my cousin gave it to me because she's like really pale, and this is like a colored powder. It was literally like the color of my skin. Like, I don't know if you could see, like, you see? And my cousin is like really pale, and she was like, oh, you know, this powder doesn't like fit me, so you can have it. And I'm like, okay. And it was amazing. And every time I went to Sephora, I looked for this powder, and I could not find it anywhere. And I asked my cousin, I was like, yo, like, I really can't find this powder, like, where'd you get it or something? And she was like, oh yeah, when I went to like Czech Republic, I purchased it and stuff. And I was like, are you serious? And you can only get it at the Sephora in Czech Republic. Like, what? I'm so mad. I want this. This was so good. Like, why can't they have this in the Sephora of the United States? I'm confused. But yeah, this was so good. I really loved it. It just looked really good, and it wouldn't get cakey, and I have dry skin. It wouldn't get cakey or anything. It was just beautiful, and I wish I still had. Okay, this is a lip balm, basically like a lip nourisher. This is the Pūr-lisse Daily Lip Nourisher with mango and shea butter. And this was so good, so good. I got it in my BoxyCharm, and yeah, this lasted me like a year. At first, I was like, I don't know if I like it because it's like too liquidy, and it's too, I don't know, I thought it was like kind of gross because I've never had like a lip balm or whatever that wasn't like a lip balm. But this was like really, this was liquidy. It's literally liquid, and I was like, I don't know how I feel about that. Like, it was kind of weird. But I would put this on like before I went to sleep, and like when I would wake up, like my lips would be so like moisturized and plump, and it was just so beautiful and so nice. And yeah, I would repurchase it, but this is mad expensive. Like, I don't even know how much this was because it was in BoxyCharm, and Pūr-lisse is like an expensive brand, but it was so good. It says hydrates, nourishes, heals, and softens, and it's true because it did all of those things. It was so good. I just love this so much, and I would repurchase it if I could. Okay, so next thing. Okay, this. I only have one thing left, so we're almost done. This is the Revlon Photoready Concealer in the shade Medium. This concealer, I also got it from my cousin because it was too dark for her. I don't know why she was purchasing things that were literally my skin tone when she's literally the color of snow, but she gave it to me, and I liked it. This was good. Like, it did what it had to do. It would cover my dark circles great. But I just feel like it was too drying for me because this is like a, you know, like it's like a, it looks like a lipstick. Like, it comes up and like you put it like under your eyes and stuff. And yeah, but I just feel like it was drying because of that. I like to use like a liquid concealer for my dry skin, but it didn't look patchy. It didn't look cakey. It didn't look anything. It was good. But I wouldn't repurchase it just because it wasn't my favorite and because I just like liquid concealers better. But yeah, it was a good concealer on all. If you don't have dry skin, maybe you'd like this. But yeah. And then the last thing is this. This is the Blender Cleanser Solid by Beauty Blender. You know, like that soap that you use to clean your beauty blender. I use it to clean my beauty blender and my brushes, and I really like this stuff. And I actually repurchased it, and I bought a new one. And and I think my cousin took it because I can't find it. My cousin just came to visit from Mexico and I can't find it anywhere. It was in my bathroom, so I don't know if my cousin took it back to Mexico or I don't know what. But if she did, I'm gonna be so mad because that's mine. But yeah, I really like this. I use this to clean my beauty blender and my brushes. I used to use like olive oil and dishwasher soap to clean my brushes and my beauty blender, but this just works so much easier. Like you just like throw your brush in there and you clean it, and you put your beauty blender in there and you squish it and you clean it, and it's just done. Like, you know, this is good. And I would repurchase it. I already did it, but I can't find it. So that's all I have in the Empties Ulta bag or whatever. And that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media. It'll all be down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be on Friday, next Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, how many times do I say goodbye? Like on all my videos, I say like, thank you guys so much for watching like 10 times. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, a squirrel is out my window. Oh my god, that squirrel's back? Oh my god, there's like 2 squirrels out my window. They're having like a fight. Okay. This, why can't I close this?